Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video, I will show you how to promote Clickbank products using Tumblr. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation and check my video description. Now in this video I will show you step by step how to promote Clickbank products and you can make 50 per day. You can't make huge money using this method, but you can make 40 to 50 per day. And I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, Clickbank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. And at the end of this video, I will show you how can I make this big money per month by affiliate marketing. Now I show you everything entered this method in 3 steps. So step number 1, create a Clickbank account. So create a Clickbank account. You have to fill your country, first name, last name, your phone number, email address, password, and hit this button and join Clickbank. It's so easy and so simple. And if you have already a Clickbank account, then it's fine. Now step number 2, find best products for selling. Now go this Clickbank Marketplace. You see here Clickbank Marketplace and a lot of categories inside this marketplace, and you can choose any of this category and promote your product in Tumblr. Now you see here e-business and e-marketing. So go this category and you will see a lot of products inside this category and you can choose any of this. Now you see here, and I recommend you to choose a low price product that will help to make sales in Tumblr. Now you see here this is 58 and click this promote and get your affiliate link. So step number 2 has been completed. Now step number 3, get traffic from Tumblr. And inside Tumblr, inside this Tumblr, I will show you 2 methods and 2 ways. By these 2 ways you can reach your audience and you can promote your targeted product for making Clickbank money. So method number 1, it's a tricky way. So you can go any on YouTube or you can search in YouTube a helpful video or a helpful content. So you see here, you can choose any of this video of my channel or any other channel. Suppose you can choose this video. Just copy this link. Now go Tumblr and you see here this video section and add video from web. Just embed this video. It's a helpful video. Okay, now you see here, add a caption you like. Here you will promote your product. Now if you choose this product, go this, it's the sales page of this product, and you will get all the info inside about this product, and you have to choose the attracting point of this product, and you can set your message template. And I already set this message template. It's time to turn your online effort into a real money, real online income. Newbie friendly method reveals how we make, you can say, how you make 120 per day with free traffic in just 30 minutes per day. You don't need Google, Facebook or Bing ads. You don't need to create any videos, and check out here your affiliate link. So just set a message template like this. Now go here and paste it. Now check out here, then you see here link and set your affiliate link here. Just done. After that you have to use tags. Tag is the key in Tumblr, and you can choose this type of tag: make money online, Clickbank, Clickbank affiliate, affiliate marketing, online marketing, home business, make money from home, work at home jobs, entrepreneur, motivation, success, luxury, luxurious lifestyle, entrepreneur lifestyle, etc. And after that, just post. Boom. So way number one completed. So you have to share helpful content in Tumblr, and you can set your affiliate link in the add caption option. Now I will show you way number 2. When you share various helpful content to your uh, Tumblr profile, then day by day your account will be grow up, and you will get a lot of followers inside Tumblr. And after getting your follower, and you can see here here is my follower, and click here, you see all these followers, and you can direct message them. So click here, and you see here message option. Copy this message template, paste message, set your affiliate link, and send this message. That's it. So way number 2, direct message. Now you don't have follower. Now how can you send direct message? In this case you can search make money online. You see here a lot of people like this, comment these photos, and you have to choose make money related photos. You see here is the make big money online. So most of the people of this photos is make money online. So click here and you get all the list, all these 100, 512 people. So you get all these people and choose any of these and you can easily message them. You can easily message them. Just copy paste, just copy paste. It's so easy and so simple. And I again remind it, you can't make big money using this method, but you can make $40 to $50 per day from Clickbank using these two ways. At the way number one, you have to post helpful content. It may be image or it may be videos, and share your affiliate link. And way number two, direct message. If you have follower, then message your followers, and if you don't have follower, then search in your targeted people and message them directly. So guys, if this video help you to make money from Clickbank, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with the other peoples. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates. You see here, it's Legendary Marketer. I am a member of Legendary Marketer and the affiliate of Legendary Marketer, and I am making this big money from a Legendary Marketer per month. And it's one of my internet stream, and I am making money from Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Zebichu, and many other marketplaces. And Legendary Marketer teaches me various marketing strategies, various tricks, tips, everything inside Legendary Marketer. And after joining Legendary Marketer, you see all these 15 days challenge. You have to complete all these 15 days. A coach or an advisor will be appointed for you to solve all of your problems, and you will get the best solution for online marketing. So if you are a newbie or an expert, and if you want to long run your online journey, then Legendary Marketer is the best option for anyone. It's an high ticket training program, and you will get big sales here. You see here, you see 15 high ticket sales, 18 high ticket sales inside here, and a lot of mid ticket sales. So guys, if you want to make big money, then join Legendary Marketer. It's one of the best educational online marketing platform. So join Legendary Marketer and make big money and be a legendary like me. So guys, if this video help you to promote Clickbank products and make 50 per day, then don't forget to thumbs up my video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info inside here, and I am uploading videos in daily basis. You see a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. Best of luck, take action, and make Clickbank money.